Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Side Roses. In today's video, we will discuss about the shipping cost invoicing. Invoicing customers for shipping after delivery ensures accurate charges based on the real-time shipping factors like distance, weight, and method. In Urdu, shipping cost can be invoiced in two ways. Agree with the customer on a fixed cost and include it in the sales order. Or invoice shipping cost to the customer, past delivery, it reflects the actual expenses incurred by the business. To set the prices to delivery methods, move on to the inventory module, and from the configuration settings, under this section shipping, we have to enable the delivery method. This compute the shipping cost. Now let's move on to the configuration, and under the delivery, choose delivery methods. Here I would like to choose the delivery method, which is FedEx US. Afterwards, you can set the delivery method name, the website, the provider, and you can also set the integration level. And if you want to set the margin on rate, you can set that. If you want to add any additional margins, that also can be specified over here. We can also set free if the order amount is specified above. So as you just enable this feature, if a customer is purchasing above $1,000, we can just make a free shipping. We can also set a delivery product over here, as well as the invoicing policy will be based on the estimated cost. So once everything is done, you can just save this. Now let's move on to create a sale order. Here I'll be considering the product as share flow protection. As I just move on to the product, here you can find the on-hand quantity is 5. And under the inventory, we just need to set the weight. So 1 unit of share flow protection will have a weight of 1 kg. Let's move on to the sales module in order to create a new quotation where you can just allow the details of the customer. I would like to choose a customer as Deco Addict, and the product is share flow protection with 1 quantity. Afterwards, you can just move on to add shipping, and in this case, you can say by default the shipping method will be taken as local delivery. Now let me change it into FedEx US. So here you can just simply search for FedEx US. Afterwards, here you can see that the weight will be auto calculated. Now we just need to get the rate. So let me click on get rate, and here you can see that the weight will be auto populated. So once this is done, we can just add the item over here, that is the weight over here, and we can just confirm the quotation, and we just need to deliver the item to the customer. So by clicking on validate, we can easily deliver the item to the customer, and afterwards we can just move on to the invoices. So let's create the invoice over here. I'm going to choose the regular invoice. So under the regular invoice, you can see that the shipping cost will be added over here, and you can just confirm this, and you can see that currently it's in posted state. As you just move on to the preview, you can find the shipping cost in the invoice. So including the shipping cost, it's shown over here, and you can find the product as well as the shipping cost. Now let's see how can we invoice the real shipping cost. So to modify the invoice to reflect the real cost of shipping, we have to first follow the above steps that we have created with the delivery product with unit price of 0. So in this case, I would like to consider the delivery method as standard delivery. So once this is done, next we are just going to create a sales order. Now I'll be creating a new sales order over here by choosing the customer Deco Addict, and you can just fill out the details of the product, which is chair floor protection with 1 quantity itself. Now let's move on to add shipping, and I would like to choose the shipping as standard delivery. So I'll be choosing that, and in this case you can see that the product will be having 1 kg and the cost is not calculated over here. Now let me just add that. So currently you can see that the unit price is set to 0. Now we can just confirm the order, and we can just deliver the item to the customer. And let me click on validate in order to deliver the item to the customer. Now we just need to create an invoice. To create the invoice, we can just move on to that button, and we are just going to create the regular invoice. So in this case, we can easily modify the shipping cost. So here I would like to set the shipping cost as $3. So here you can see that we can just modify the unit price when the when the invoice is in its drag state. Now afterwards, you can just confirm this, and after confirmation, you can see that the invoice will be moving into the posted state. Now, as you just move on to the preview, you can find the total price of the product, including the delivery price of the product. So here you can see it's 17.25, and you can see the price of the product is 12, and the standard delivery price will be $3, and including a 15% of tax, you can see that the total price will be 17.25. So this is how we manage with the shipping cost invoicing in Odoo 18 inventory. So if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cyprosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.